Dates Smoothie recipe. 6 to 8 Medjool dates, pitted, 1 ripe banana, 1 cup milk dairy or non-dairy, 1/2 cup plain yogurt, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground cardamom, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, ice cubes optional. 1. Soak the pitted dates in warm water for about 15 minutes to soften them. 2. In a blender. Combine the soaked dates along with the soaking water, ripe banana, milk, yogurt, ground cinnamon, ground cardamom, and vanilla extract. 3. Blend all the ingredients together until smooth and creamy. If you prefer a thicker consistency, you can add a few ice cubes before blending. 4. Taste the smoothie and adjust the sweetness or spiciness by adding more dates or spices if desired. 5. Once blended to your desired consistency, pour the date smoothie into glasses and serve immediately. 6. Or optionally, you can garnish the smoothie with a sprinkle of ground cinnamon or a few chopped nuts for added texture. Enjoy your homemade Ramadan date smoothie as a nutritious and refreshing drink for iftar or suhoor. I hope you like this healthy drink recipe. If you like this recipe, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, plus don't forget to press the bell icon and on which recipe to make the next video. Please tell us in the comments section. And happy Ramadan from me to you all.